everyone. Good morning and welcome to another release reveal.
It's a big one today.
It's a celebration. Who wants to party?
I'm ready. I'm always ready to party. You guys know that about me.
Well, was my birthday yesterday. We're celebrating this week on Tuesday with a birthday themed release. We're calling it Taylor's birthday release. So, yes.
How old are you? No, wait.
Well,
Maybe we'll save it.
I think everyone's going to find out here in just a moment.
Right.
Because it's kind of fun to design promos around numbers. And so you might have a guess here in a little bit. And I thought, you know what? Who cares? I am the age I am. Just put it out there.
Embrace it.
Yes. It's taking a while. And then on the other side of things, I'm like, let's just not celebrate. Then maybe I can just say I'm still a year younger. 29 again, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Age is just a number. Let's just celebrate and move on.
I know some of you in the comments are going to be like, oh girl, I got you beat. So, age is just a number.
It is.
And
we're still having fun.
Finding joy in all the seasons of life, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, all right. Well, it is Taylor's birthday release, and you are here to see the earliest peek at what's coming on Tuesday. So let's get to it. We're going to start by talking about that promotion first. All right. So first up on our docket, we have the Bitty Strips Birthday Wishes stamp. This is free when you purchase $44 from our birthday release category.
Woo! That's easy to do.
Why do you think we chose that number? It's official. I'm 44, and when you purchase $44 from our Taylor's birthday release category, you're going to get the Bitty Strips Birthday Wishes free. And this coordinates with our Bitty Strips die and the Bitty Strips backer die, which if you don't have them yet, they will be 20% off during this release as well. So they've been previously released. We have several other Bitty Strips, and these are really fun. So they are all together as one stamp, and they are designed like our mini strips and simple strips. So you can cut out all of these at the same time with one die. And the reason why we needed another size is because sometimes you just want one or two little words.
Yes.
You don't want a whole, phrase. And so these Bitty Strips are great for little words to pop in with your sentiments, your main sentiments. Great to put on tags. We've got a gift for you, to you, open me, some really fun ones for birthday. So again, free with your purchase of $44 or more from the Taylor's birthday release category. All right, we have a new collection for you, which is new, but will also be familiar. We are exploring the Postmarked collection for birthdays.
Whew, thank goodness.
So
I've been waiting.
Everybody's been excited about this. We've got our birthday postmarked. It's kind of tough to see that, but I have some samples for you guys that will show you what comes in that artwork. It's party hats and balloons and candles and cupcakes and all the party themed stuff inside of that postmarked theme. So that's the layering stencil. And then of course the 3D embossing folder that adds all of those fun raised details to your blended stencil. Very fun to use on its own as well. And this is maybe a little easier to see. The presents and the cake and the candles and the balloons inside of those postal shapes. And then we have our Foil-It Postmarked Birthday. So there's 3 different options for foiling, adding that shimmer and shine, and then blending over the top of those designs. In this bundle, we also have sentiments for you. We have our bold birthday greetings. I love these. Wish big, happy, happy, happy birthday.
I love the stacked
Isn't
happy.
that fun? Happy birthday to you. It's your day. There are 5 sentiments and then also coordinating dies to cut them out. So that is part of our Postmarked Birthday bundle. However, all of these items can be purchased separately as well. Then let's take a look at some of those fun samples. Love this one. Jill created that shaker card. You can see that fun artwork in the background. I love picking out the party hats. She's got the confetti in there. We've got the stars, clay stars, and a new item. Also with this release, we have our Bits and Pieces Sparkly Dots.
I am so excited about
Aren't those
these.
fun? We needed something that was kind of more generic and sparkly, but not overpowering. So this kind of clear holographic is perfect for your shakers. It is very similar to our sparkly stars, but instead of stars, they're circles. So you can use them for even more occasions. Then we've got this one. I think, was this Susan or Sue? I think Sue created this one. I like how she die cut this. If you don't already have our postmarked cutting plate, it works with all of our postmarked stencils. So it really gets a lot of use out of those to cut out your stenciled artwork, and then she popped them in on that embossing folder. So a fun way to get some spotlighting with more interest in those colored areas and then just embossed in the background.
I love the 3D embossing folder.
It's really detailed.
Pops.
Yes. All right, and then this one, is this a Heather? This looks like Heather. I love it, how she built her own little scene inside of the thin frame with that sparkly gold sentiment and the tiny twinkles embossing folder in the background. Super cute. Of course, all on toffee. It really pops with that sugar cube blended piece. Okay, up next is another new 3D embossing folder. We are loving our 3D embossing folders lately, and this one is called Party Parade. You can see it has all those party hats parading through the background with some sprinkles and sparkles, little dots within the open white space. Now, Sue created this fun card. She kind of discovered a new technique, and I'm excited to share it with you. Not today, but I love how she was able to get multiple colors on this embossing folder. So all of this is created with one embossing folder. You can see some of those designs are pink in the background, with actually the entire piece being blue. So really fun. I know that's going to create a little bit of a, I'm being a tease, so you'll have to wait and see how that was done, but we are going to show you that fun option for using with 3D embossing folders or your 2D embossing folders. It could be both. All right, next up we have another fun doodle background from one of our illustrators that creates these. We've got one with a school theme. Do we have a Valentine? We did a Valentine one. This one is called Party Doodles with the typical party ephemera, balloons and cupcakes and presents and streamers and lots of little sprinkles in the background. This will be a fun one to do what Heather did on this card, which is an emboss resist where she watercolored that background. You could also emboss and blend over the top with your blender brushes to kind of pull out that design. Don't feel like you have to color this. I know that's a lot of imagery to color, so really think of this as something to do with techniques like the emboss resist, the blending, the watercoloring, even doing a little bit of spotlighting where you color part of it, or tone-on-tone stamping for a background would be really fun as well. So that's the Party Doodles. You might recognize something else here, which we're going to talk about, this party hat. So let's take a look at the next collection of products, and these were offered during our May 2025 Combo Club. So if you were part of Combo Club last year, then these products may already be in your collection. You'll want to check for those. If not, then they are entering our full catalog as part of our birthday collection. This is called the Hooray Hat and allows you to make a party hat in lots of different ways. You can see Heather's is striped here. We have a polka dot overlay and then a tiered scallop as well. And all of them fit over this base. You've got some different toppers, just fun little ways to make a big focal impact on your card. Then we have Birthday Boy and Birthday Girl.
Ooh.
Aren't these fun? I loved these. When we released them, one of the creative things about these is they are actually a set of 2 dies. One of the dies, which is depicted here, it impresses the letter into the backer. The letters into the backer, so that when you die cut your letters, you know exactly where to place them so that they're perfectly spaced within that backer. So many of our die cuts, the letters are all connected, so then you don't have to worry about them and how they place on the backer. But when all of the letters are separate, which give you a lot of fun options, think about birthday spelled out in a rainbow of colors.
Ooh.
That would be fun. So you get a lot of versatility with that, but the placement is easy also with that added die that impresses the letters.
That's genius.
So you know exactly where to put them. So again, these were offered last year, May 2025 Combo Club, but now you can also personalize your cards for the birthday boy or the birthday girl. To go along with these, we released sentiments with that combo club called Big Birthday Hugs and our stacked sentiment strips. This was a request from many of you to have sentiment strips that were a little taller, so you could fit 2 lines of text within those sentiment strips. And we have that Big Birthday Hugs stamp set that fits in all of these little strips. And the idea is you can use your birthday girl, and then underneath you can say, birthday girl, it's your special day, let's celebrate. Or birthday boy, you're 1 year cooler today. So some great add-ons to go with that big focal birthday boy and girl. Let's take a look at some samples. Jill, love this with the birthday boy and the plaid. So we've got birthday boy, a gift for you. This is actually from the Bitty Strips that's free with your $44 purchase.
My son would love this.
Yes, it's very boyish. I love the colors she used too. And then we've got a birthday girl card from Lori, and it looks like she did cut this from several different colors and piece back in on that backer, so you can see what that looks like. Love her little party hat with the scalloped tears and some really fun foiled sentiments as well. And then Sue, she went big on this card. This is a 5x7 card. Look at that cute little smiley face wearing a party hat. I love it.
Having a good time.
If this doesn't make somebody smile, then I don't know what would. We've got the wish big, a little bit older, a lot more fabulous.
Absolutely.
And then she decorated the inside of the card with those same little polka dot circles that she put on the outside. All right, next up we have another item that was previously offered. So this was offered during Virtual Stamp Joy this past spring. So this was part of our early release products, and we're excited to get it out to you now for creating birthday tags for little gifts or treats. This is our design duo that is basically like a half of a quad stencil. So instead of 4 panels, you're getting 2 panels, and these are designed to work with our Simple Tags die. So this is called Design Duo Simple Tags Birthday, and then it coordinates with our previously released Simple Tags die. So these little pieces of artwork all cut out into different tag shapes. And if you want to step it up a notch, you can add the Foil-It Simple Tags Birthday, which has 2 different designs in there to add that fun shimmer and shine.
I always love foiling for birthday.
Yes, it is an occasion when you can use some of those fun foils like the rainbow and the pinks and the blues and the sparkly stars and all that good stuff. All right, let's take a look at a couple samples again. These are from Lori. You can see how those tags cut out. This is the Simple Tags die that cuts out different shapes and sizes. So this big tag is part of it, and then this little oval tag. And here's a little treat box that she made using that design duo to tie on a little tag. You
and
can
she used the party
little
doodles, right?
I don't think that's the party doodles, but
Oh,
it's close. You
it
could
is.
use it. I think it's an older stamp, Party Vibes, I think that one's called. But you could put some candy in there, a little
Cute.
gift, a little pair of earrings, or some kind of little gift as well. All right, then I have one more thing that has not been previously offered that I think you're going to be really excited about.
Yes!
We have 2 new Pallet Playbooks. We've got Birthday Boy and Birthday Girl. And as you know, these are our laminated sturdy cards. We have started adding these in for different occasions, and really fun way to get yourself color combinations if you know you want something warm, something more feminine, or something maybe gender neutral. There are all kinds of options on here. There's more color combos on the back for each of these different themes.
Fabulous.
So you can grab these with your release. They are available for purchase. They're not part of the promo. So, they will count towards your $44, but sometimes we offer these as our promo, but this time they are just part of the release, and you can grab those with your other birthday goodies. Lots of fun new stuff, right?
Yes.
I always love buying birthday things because I feel like you'd use them a lot.
Yes.
And you use them throughout the year. They're not something that you just use, at one time of the year. So I love adding little birthday things. It's the card I make and send the most. And sometimes I like knowing that I have something new to use.
Yes.
So I'm not like, oh, did I make that for her birthday card last year?
Right. Yes.
So that's part of my overthinker,
I know. Yeah. You think about what you did last year and how you want to do it this year.
I know. Sometimes I even think, did I give her this last year? Does anybody else do that? I love buying gifts for people, but sometimes I think I get like on a certain train of thought. Like I know Whitney loves XYZ, and so every year I buy you XYZ, and I'm like, did I already do that?
It's okay. I'd love it either way.
All right, everybody. Well, thanks for tuning in for our release reveal. Again, all of these products will be available starting on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Time, and I hope you'll join me at 10, where we will be crafting together. Have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye, guys.